Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, to my new subscribers, thank you and welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you as well. Okay, on my video I do a lot of unboxing, fashion videos, cooking videos, and also lifestyle vlogs. Okay, so share my videos to your friends and family, all right, and have them subscribe to LuxemumTV. Okay, thank you also so much. To my old subscribers, my fellow content creators, thank you so much for your love and your support. All right guys, today's video, without wasting much time, let's go right into it. I have another unboxing from Coach. I see now that the Coach videos, a lot of people love them, so I'll be bringing you a lot of content from, a lot of unboxing from Coach. Okay, so this year is gonna be back to back. All right, so last year I took a break, but this year, I'm bringing my A game. Okay, so we need to grow this channel. Please help me, share the video out. All right guys, thank you so much. So here is the box. Okay, of course I already opened it up. All right, but I just want to open it up with you. I still left them in the pack. All right, so the usual way the Coach box will come. Okay, all right guys, so this is all I got from Coach. I got SLGs as well. I need to take up my SLG game a little up. Okay, so I got some SLGs, that's small leather goods, okay, as well. All right, so here's the receipt like they will normally give you. Okay, a little thank you note from Coach as well. All right, so I have about 3 SLGs here and a bag charm and a little dumb satchel bag. Okay, so let's go right now and start opening this bag. So first of all, I'm going to show you this dumb satchel, and this is called, let me look at it because I forgot now. It's been a while I ordered it. Okay, it's been a while I did the order. So this is Serena satchel. So guys, this is the Serena satchel, and this is the signature coated canvas. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The strap is here and is adjustable, has an adjustable strap. So let me just go now, take off all the packaging so we can. So guys, it's gonna be a long video. Like I said, I have 4 items, including this bag, 5 items to unbox. Okay, so it's gonna be a long video. Just go grab your coffee, go grab your snack, and sit down with me to unbox all of these items. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. I really love this Serena satchel. It's so cute. Look at the detail. Look at the details on the handle. Okay, and it opens up like so. There's another zip here. How ruby it is, with the Coach Little Care booklet. Okay, so you can wear this crossbody or you wear it handheld. Okay, I really love this one, guys. Isn't she cute? See how cute she is with the gold hardware all over it. There's a pocket right here which will fit a cell phone. A little cell phone will fit in there. Okay guys, I love her. I love her so much. This one will be good for a date night out, traveling. Put your passport and some cash and you are good to go. Okay, all your travel documents will just, you know, go in there without any trouble. And look at the Coach logo right in front of it. Okay, so I love this one. It also comes in the light brown. It also comes in black, and I have also seen it in like pink, bright colors, but I decided to go with this one. So this one, you are protected. If you wear a color transfer clothing, it will not, you know, spoil your handbag or anything. Okay, so this one is good to go. And look at the Coach tag over here. Don't you just love this? Okay guys, so let's go to the next one. The next one is gonna be a key charm for the bag. I got a key charm for the bag. Okay, so this is what the key charm looks like. So it has that coated canvas here in a heart shape, and the C for Coach in also in a heart shape. Gold hardware as well. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'll be using it for this Serena bag, but I have other Coach bag I can use this for. So guys, I'm not sure I'll be using it for this charm. I won't be using this charm for this bag, but you know, just to give you an idea, you can just click it up here where you have the buckle. See how pretty it looks, and this will go with any of your other handbag as well. It doesn't have to be a Coach handbag. Okay, this will go. Looks pretty, right? Looks so good. All right guys, let's go to the next one. So this is what the next one looks like, and this is a card holder. Okay, so the same color with the satchel. Okay, so the same color. It has that dark brown and black. Okay, all right, so this is just a little card case with a chain. This is a chain, a gold chain, you know, detail on the bag. Okay, and this gold chain can be removed. Okay, and you can click it back like this. So this is a card holder. Like I said, it's a card holder. So let me take in all the stuffings out. The Coach little care booklet is in there, and this is how big the card holder is. Okay, so it will fit a ton of card, to fit a lot of card. There's also space here, and there's also 2 credit card slots at the front of it as well. Over here you have a window for your ID badge, which you can, you know, use for your driver's license and all that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So pretty. If you don't want to use it as a card holder, you can use it for as a wristlet as well. Okay, you can use it as a wristlet. Just run to the store, run to the gas station, run to Dollar Tree to pick up 1 or 2 things for yourself. Okay, all right, so let's go to the next one, guys. So this is the next one which I got. This is a business card holder, and I love this caramel color. So pretty. All right, so guys, I got all these things when there was a big sale and you know the items are just getting to me now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Opening it up, there's a slot right here, slot right here for more cards, another slot right here. Like I said, this is for your business card holder. Okay, there's a pocket at the back here. Okay, so currently this is what my business card holder looks like. So this is what my business card holder look like. Just a little plastic stuff. You know, it came, you know, with the card when I ordered them. So I now have a Coach business card holder, which I will transfer all my cards in here. So this is much presentable than this. Okay, so this makes you look more professional, more put together than this, but all the same. All right, so guys, let's go to the last one. Okay, so the last item I have here is the five ring what's it called now, 5-ring case for your keys. Okay, the 5-ring case for the keys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've been wanting the Louis Vuitton ring key holder for the longest time, until I saw this at Coach. When I saw it at Coach, I was like, what? Coach have a key holder as well? Why not? Coach is a more affordable brand than the Louis Vuitton, so I went for Coach. Okay, so I just got it the day I saw it on the Coach website. All right, so this is what it looks like. I never knew Coach has a ring hold a key holder like this. Okay, so my bag will be protected, my keys will not be scratching, you know, my handbag no more. All right, so this is what it looks like. Back there at the bottom there, it says Coach. I don't know if you can see that. And 1 2 3 4 5, so it's a 5 key holder. Okay, so over here you can put your bigger keys. All right, so yeah, that is it. So that's it. So this color is in black. Okay, I think it also comes in other colors as well. All right, so it has two closure here, so if you have bigger, if your keys are bigger, you should be able to fit as well. All right, so guys, so this is all my unboxing. I showed you the business card holder, I showed you the key 5 key holder as well. I showed you the card cases, you know, for all your cards, and I showed you the key charm. I showed you the key charm and also the Serena dome satchel. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you love my unboxing video, please subscribe. YouTube is telling me that 70% to 75% of those who watch my unboxing videos are not subscribed. Please guys, subscribe, help to grow the channel. This is 2021, so that I will be encouraged. Okay, I'll be encouraged to bring you more unboxing videos, especially handbags. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Take care now. Bye bye.